Hello everybody, welcome. This is Marie Nails. Today I will be giving you a tutorial over nail tips. So I'm going to use my clear nail tips and I'm going to give myself a full set, transform these into something beautiful. It's been too long. So let's get started. I've already done my nail prep. My nail plate is clean. The only thing I need to do is file my free edge, corner to center, corner to center. The reason I'm doing this is because I don't want those little corners peeking out when I put my nail tip on. Another thing too is a week into my full set, I don't want to have to look at the bottom of my nails and see my natural nails growing. I want my set to be as fresh for as long as possible. So you see that corner? Gonna get right in there and file. Perfect. Okay, and then on this nail, this one's already short, so I'm just gonna be getting in those corners. I don't want to mess with my hyponychium. Now the pinky, you see that little edge right there. So since I'm filing this on myself, you'll see the friction coming from both of my hands to help me get this file down. Now take a look at the way I'm holding my file. It's not at a 90-degree angle, it's actually slanted more down. Ta-da! Now we have a clean nail plate. Okay, now time to apply my favorite nail tips ever. These are available on marienailstore.com. I will put the link in the description. I also have the bag to refill your box. So what I do is I'll buy a box and then I'll buy like 3 bags so I never ever have to worry about running out when I have a client with me. Always stay stocked up. So the way these are numbered is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now the number 1, it is located in 2 of these. They're too big, so we broke it down into 2. Also on the back, we also have the numbers right there just for you. When applying nail tips, you want to make sure they fit sidewall to sidewall. You don't want none of the tip going onto the client's skin. I will be using my favorite glue, Beauty Secrets by Sally's Beauty. Now, it is a misconception to believe the more glue you glue down, the better the nails will last, but this is not the case. You want your nails to last because of your nail prep, so you only want to glue 2 hairlines of the nail tip down. So I'm going to put a little strip of glue, 2 hairlines big, there we go, just like that, and I'm going to position my finger correctly and push it down all the way. Now make sure you are not making your tip go up. You want it, you see how it's not going up, it's going down. Now this is beautiful because look, it literally looks like the side view of a sculpted nail. You can't even tell the difference with using these tips. So now I'm going to go measure my ring finger, and this one looks like it fits. Yep, so I'm just going to turn it around and just check. Let's see. Yep. Now with these, you want it to fit sidewall to sidewall. You don't want nothing skinnier than your sidewall like this right here. It doesn't even touch my sidewall. So therefore this one is too small. I have to push down too much, which makes my nail feel uncomfortable. So now here is one that fits. This is the one that fits me perfect. I push down just a little bit and look, sidewall to sidewall. Perfect. Now I'm going to add my strip of glue. Go ahead and apply it. Again, make sure you're applying your tip straight because you don't want a crooked tip, right? Bam, hold it down. 1, 2, 3. This is why I love this glue too. It's so good. Ta-da! Look how straight it is. Yep. Now my middle finger, gonna measure it. This one looks like it fits good. But I'm just gonna confirm and go a size bigger just to make sure. But this one, you see how it digs in the side of my skin like that? You don't want that to happen. So therefore I'm gonna go back to my smaller size. This one, see, sidewall to sidewall. Perfect. And I'm just going to file it just a little bit because I felt it kind of pushing in my skin. You just want to get that in the way. See, much better. These tips make it so much easier because look how straight it is. Tapered square makes it so easy to shape your nails. And coffin's easy too. The nail tips are very sturdy, so definitely give you that strength right there. So these 2 fingers are usually the same size. So I'm going to get my size 7 because that's the size that my ring finger was. And I'm just going to measure it. Yep, sure enough. Now it kind of goes a little bit into my sidewalls. So guess what I'm going to do? Same thing I did with the other nail. I am going to get my hand file. And I'm just going to take that down just a little bit. And then voila. Put my strip of glue down. Push it down. Remember, you don't want your tips going up. Bam. Look at that beauty. Look at the side views. Amazing. They don't even curve. They go straight out. You have your C curve. This is why a lot of people can't tell the difference in my sculpted nails versus my tip nails. Most of my nail sets are tip nails because I love these nail tips. They're game changers. Now my thumb. I think my thumb is a 3, but let's check. Yep, there we go. Now this one, it's a little big. You see that? But if I go to a size 4, it's going to be too tight. So I'm going to go with this one. And instead of using my hand file, I'm going to use my pointed scissors just to trim it down faster. Because I don't want to file too much with my nail file. Bam. You see, look at the little piece I cut off. A little triangle. Okay, now I'm going to just touch it up with my hand file so it doesn't poke me or anything. Much better. Okay, my strip of glue. I'm going to hold my thumb really straight to make sure I'm putting it on right. Oops, accidentally slipped. It's okay. There we go. So now with this, like, you see how it comes off to the side right there? I need my side view to be completely straight. Right there. So maybe I should have did a 4, but guess what? They still look fire as fuck. Look. Ooh. Straight. Oh, yeah. Okay, so look. If I did a 4, it wouldn't have fit. So guess what? I did a good job with going the bigger size because look how it pinches the nail. And this pinching will make you or your client uncomfortable, whoever's getting their nails done. Just wanted to show you that real quick. So look, see how the 3 fits good? So definitely went good with the bigger size. Now right here in this little area, you want to make sure you glue it down like I said, remember. Because look, actually let me get my scissors just so I can make sure you know what spot I'm talking about right there. Because when your client eats or when you eat and wash your hands, guess what? Bacteria is going to get stuck under there. Now I'm going to go in with my medium grit sanding band, just like that. And I recently learned this trick of leaving the sanding band a little bit out from the metal part. Reason why is because you won't have that metal piece at the front when you're trying to file down the nail bed get in the way. So having it taken out like this is going to give you more freedom to file longer right there. So I'm going to turn it on like a medium-low speed. And I'm going to do what I call hopping. So I'm going to hop my way around the nail tip on the part where I glued it down. Now this is called tip blending. You want to tip blend because you don't want the side of the tip poking out of your sidewalls. So start right here. And since I'm doing this on myself, I do have to pull my skin back with my opposite finger. And now I could go in for the file. Now notice I am not touching the natural nail plate. I'm only touching the tip. I've already filed my natural nail, so there's no need to over file. So I'm in the positions I am, just so I'm avoiding the natural nail. On to the next finger, right here. Get those corners down, right by the sidewall. Make a very nice, sleek sidewall. Now, you don't want to stay in one spot for too long. Pay attention to how I stay moving, because I don't want to burn myself, and if I was working on a client, I don't want to burn the client. So remember, always keep moving. Just like that. Yep, do the hop, hop, hop. Hop your way around the nail tip. Now I'm doing this on myself, so I got to flip around in different ways so I find that perfect grip. Just like that. Last finger is my pinky. Gonna get those corners in. Now we have completed our tip blending. Ooh, so sexy, sexy side views. I love the clear tips because they're so sturdy, which is gonna make your client's shape last longer, whether she comes back at 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks. And clients love them, some long-lasting nails. Now I'm gonna apply the acrylic and design them. I'm also gonna attach the link to purchase these amazing nail tips in the description below. Don't leave yet, I'm gonna show you the finished product. If you've learned anything from this video, if you love this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. More tutorials coming for you soon. So I've already shaped my nail tips here. I went with the stiletto / almond. Gonna dust this off so I could apply my new acrylic that I got in the mail by Secret Nail Affair. Look at this gorgeous pink. Ooh, couldn't wait to try it. Now I'm gonna put my bling on and I'm gonna put these in the UV lamp so we could see our finished product. Here we are. Look at the amazing clear effect that these nail tips give me. Thank you all for watching. Have an amazing day. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye-bye.